If you've ever struggled to find a practical gift for your dad, your boyfriend, or that one friend who seems to already have everything, this little gadget combo from Aniyar might be the answer. For just around 10 bucks, you get two surprisingly useful tools, a snowflake-shaped multi-tool and a universal socket adapter. Now, I'll be honest, I didn't expect much when I first saw it, but once I tried it, I realized it's actually pretty handy to have around. The universal socket adjusts automatically to fit nuts and bolts of different sizes, from 7 mm up to 19 mm. It grips everything from hex nuts to wing nuts, even those slightly stripped or oddly shaped ones. It's made from solid chromium-vanadium steel, so it feels sturdy enough for real use, not just as a novelty. The Snowflake tool is also fun and surprisingly versatile. It's shaped like a snowflake, but it packs 18 different functions, from opening bottles and boxes to tightening screws or even fixing a bike on the go. Plus, it comes with a keyring, so you can just clip it to your backpack or keychain. As for downsides, it's not going to replace your full toolbox. The socket can sometimes slip if you apply too much torque, and the Snowflake tool isn't ideal for heavy-duty jobs. But for quick fixes or travel use, it's perfect. Overall, I'd give this set a solid 8.5 out of 10. It's practical, well-built for the price, and makes an awesome stocking stuffer or small gift that actually gets used. If you want to check it out yourself, the Amazon link is in the description below.